Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Lesson number 10 is about calculating value-added tax. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to define value-added tax and explain its purpose in the economy. Letter B. Identify the standard VAT rate in the Philippines and when it is applied. Letter C. Difference between VAT exclusive and VAT inclusive prices. Letter D. Apply formulas to compute VAT amount, VAT exclusive price, and VAT inclusive price. Letter E. Solve real-life problems involving VAT in sales and purchases. VAT is a form of indirect tax imposed on the sale of goods and services. In the Philippines, the standard VAT rate is 12% of the selling price. It is collected by businesses from consumers and later remitted to the government through the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Why is VAT important? It provides funds for public services such as roads, schools, and healthcare. It ensures fairness as tax is based on consumption. So those who may buy more expensive goods pay more taxes. Key VAT terms. So VAT rate. VAT rate is the percentage applied to the selling price, and currently that's 12%. VAT amount, that's the actual peso value at the VAT to be paid. VAT exclusive price, the price of the product or service before VAT is added. VAT inclusive price, the total price after the VAT is added. VAT formulas. So letter A, VAT amount if VAT is exclusive. So VAT is equals to VAT exclusive price times VAT rate. Letter B, VAT inclusive price if price is VAT exclusive. VAT inclusive price is equal to VAT exclusive price plus VAT amount, or the VAT inclusive price equal to VAT exclusive rate times 1 plus VAT rate. Letter C, VAT amount if price is VAT inclusive. So VAT amount is equal to VAT inclusive price times the VAT rate divided by 1 plus VAT rate. Letter D, VAT exclusive price if price is VAT inclusive. VAT exclusive price equal to VAT inclusive price divided by 1 plus the VAT rate. A store sells a gadget for 10,000 pesos, VAT exclusive. Compute the VAT amount and the VAT inclusive price. So VAT is 10,000 times 0.12, 1,200. So the VAT inclusive price is 10,000 plus 1,200 equivalent to 11,200. A TV's selling price is 22,400, VAT inclusive. Find the VAT exclusive price and the VAT amount. So VAT exclusive price is 22,000 divided by 1.12 is equivalent to 22,000. So the VAT is equal to 22,000 minus 20,000. That's equivalent to 2,400 pesos. Application in real life. So, VAT is everywhere, from groceries to electronics. As future consumers, entrepreneurs, or professionals, understanding how to calculate VAT helps you avoid being overcharged, price your products correctly if you run a business, understand receipts and invoices. Key takeaways. So VAT in the Philippines is 12%. Exclusive price is equals to the before VAT. Inclusive price after VAT. Know the formulas to move between VAT exclusive, VAT amount, and VAT inclusive prices. VAT is an important source of government revenue. Practice problems. So a laptop has a VAT exclusive price of 45,000. Find the VAT amount and the VAT inclusive price if the VAT rate is 12%. So we're given VAT exclusive price 45,000. VAT rate 12%. So required VAT amount VAT inclusive price. So solution, VAT amount is equal to 45,000 times 0.12 equivalent to 5,400 pesos. And the VAT inclusive price is equal to 45,000 divided by 5,400. So you have 5,000 I plus 5,400, you have 50,400. The final answer is the VAT is 5,400 and the VAT inclusive price is 50,400 pesos. Number 2, a smartphone is priced at 28,000 pesos excluding VAT. Determine the total price including VAT. So given VAT exclusive price 28,000, the VAT rate is 12%. Required the total price including VAT. So the VAT is 28,000 times 0.12 and that is 3,360. The total price is 28,000 plus 3,360 and that is 31,360 pesos. So, the total price, the final answer is 31,360 pesos. Practice problem number 3. A washing machine is sold for 19,600 baht inclusive. Find the VAT amount and the VAT exclusive price given. VAT inclusive price equal to 19,600. VAT rate is equals to 12%. So required the VAT amount and the VAT exclusive price. So solution, BAT is 19,600 times 0.12 divided by times 0.12 is equal to 2,100 pesos. And the BAT exclusive price is 19,600 minus 2,100 is equal to 17,500. Final answer, BAT amount is 2,100, BAT exclusive price is 17,500. Number 4. A store sells a refrigerator for 35,840 including VAT. How much of that amount is VAT? So given value added tax inclusive price is 35,840. The VAT rate is 12%. And we are asked to obtain the VAT amount. So the VAT amount is equal to 35,840 times 0.12 divided by 1.12 is equal to 3,840 pesos. So the VAT amount is 3,840 pesos. Number 5. A company orders office chairs at 3,200 pesos each, VAT exclusive. If they buy 10 chairs, compute the total VAT amount and the total price including VAT. So given the VAT exclusive price is 3,200, quantity is 10 and the VAT rate is 12%. So require the total VAT amount and the total price value added tax. Single chair VAT is 3,200 times 0.12 and that is 384. The total VAT then is 384 times 10, 3,840 pesos. So the total price including VAT is 5,200 plus 384 times 10 is equal to 35,840 pesos. Final answer, the total VAT is equal to 3,840 and the total price is 35,840 pesos. Number 6. A dining table is sold at a VAT inclusive price of 12,320. Determine the VAT amount and the price before VAT. So we're given VAT inclusive price 12,320. The VAT rate is 12%. Require the VAT amount and the price before VAT. So solution, VAT is equals to 12,320 times 0.12 is equal divided by 1.12. That's 1,320. Price before VAT is 12,320 minus the 1,320 is equal to 11,000. So, the final answer is VAT is equal to 1,320 pesos and the price before VAT is 11,000 pesos. So, we will continue this lesson number 10 in the next part.